Hello guys, this is Blahel again with another video. This time we're gonna review the Nortiv 8 Polar Bear series. So as you can see, I have my package here. It's grip boot, waterproof, and also it's for trekking or for hiking. And as far as I can tell, I got this on Amazon for about $45. So let's check it out because it's a solid pair of boots, and as you can see, the style is very interesting. Also looks super solid, and there's a lot of things I can see for now because I haven't used it. But as you can see, well, there's a rubber sole right here, and then there is a lot of contact. It's more or less than the, as you can see, even the logo is more or less like the Vibram. So it's quite interesting. As far as I can tell, this boot is superior in many aspects. I don't really know if this will be the alternative to Salomon Quest or probably another Merrell or a Columbia, because obviously it's half of the price. But looks like they're super solid, waterproof. Also, we have secure laces here, which looks like they're very solid, and I really like it. In the part of the weight, I think they're a little bit heavy compared with the others, but most of these, well, it's not required or it's not important. So we have a TPU construction midsole and soft padded collar to support. For this part, you can have better traction on heels and different climbs, and also according to the website, in this case, is optimum comfort and looks like, but I'm not quite sure. And for me, I just need three things. One, I need the super rubber, very solid, because I need to use it. I'm going to use it when I drive on my motorcycle. So I need this anti-slippery traction, and also I need this to be waterproof. So this fits super nice. So we'll see. I'm gonna give you an update of the review after I check it out. This is size 9 and looks pretty solid. You can check it out on Amazon and you can have it. This is made in China. I don't have more information about the company, but as you can tell, this looks terrific, fantastic, and it's a very solid pair of boots. We will update the review as long as I use this, and we'll see if it delivers. See you later, guys. Ciao.